All right, here we have number question 1. We are asked to find the measurement of each one of this measurement. Please notice that C is the circle and all the angles there are central angles. The first thing that we want to notice is that the segment of ML is the diameter. Once you get the segment being the diameter, you know the arc that it produces is 180 degrees. That's why I said angle MCL is 180 degrees. There's two angles that make that up. We have angle MCN and angle NCL. That equals to 180. So if you rearrange it and solve for angle NCL, it's 180 minus 60. We have that 60 given, and we know that angle NCL is 120. Next, to find the other pieces, you have to solve for X first. And again, there's two angles that add up to make 180, RCM and RCL. You plug in the expression of x minus 1 for RCM and 3x plus 5 for RCL. Combine like terms, solve, you get x is equal to 44. Now to find each individual piece, you just plug it in. RCM is x minus 1, so it's 44 minus 1 is 43. RCM is 3x plus 5, plug in the 44. You get 137. Okay, those are all your 4 pieces.